So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I was on the train and this woman sneezed, and this man said, "God bless you" to her, and she didn't say anything. He said it again just in case she didn't hear, like, "Hey, God bless you." Still nothing. He physically tapped her on the shoulder. It was like, "Hey, God bless you." And she finally begrudgingly was like, "Okay, thank you." And I was trying to understand why she wouldn't just say thank you. But then I started thinking about the phrase, "God bless you," and it's kind of a paradox, right? Like, who are we to command God to bless somebody else? And if we could, then we would be gods, and religion would be useless in the first place. So maybe she realized that and didn't want to be complicit in that kind of hubris. You know?
Te tengo un chisme. ¿Te acuerdas de un día la que está embarazada? Sí, sí, claro. No me lo vas a creer. El otro día... Salud, salud. El otro día estaba en la cafetería y que veo a su esposo. Y yo estaba así... Salud, salud, salud. Bueno, te contaba. Estaba yo en la cafetería cuando de repente a lo lejos veo que llega el marido de mi amiga. Salud, salud, preciosa. Y lo veo llegar hacia lo lejos y que yo le diga, ¿sabes qué, cabrón? Me le iba a poner al tú por tú cuando de repente... Salud. Ay, olvídalo, amiga, ya luego te cuento.
Is anybody else dying from allergies? Because my nose can't take it. Like drops. Like if you didn't close the faucet all the way and it's just drip, drip, drip like water. Water. Watery nose. Some people out there feel me. It's not a good time.
Bonus question, Tara.
Please stop.
Do you think I made it inside your house before you could rearm?
I don't feel very good.
Whoa.
Things I find confusing about Germany. Let's go! People sneeze very loudly and even clean their nose when we are eating. On Sundays, everything is closed. Everything. It's absolutely normal to have separate accounts as a married couple.
Alright, shout out to all the Patreon members! If you want access to more exclusive content, then you need to join our Patreon community. Please do so!
Oh fuck, it piece up on me.
You teasing me, you naughty naughty.
Hey!
Oh, it is up on my phone. Oh fuck, it piece up on me.
Wait, it's not ready. The right one is stuck.
She thinks she has two noses.
My right nose has the boogers. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Is this TikTok?
There it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that could be mustard, though. Is that booger on my face? And kiss. No, I want a real one.
I'll kiss you or I want to kiss you.